Hi, welcome to Students World. As we will discuss select statements in this class, and before we got introduction to the SQL, and now the select statements. This is the syntax of the select statements, whereas we can write select and column names from table name. For example, as we seen that we have a table. This is the name of the table is employee. Then here is the table. The name of the table is employee, and we have a columns of employee ID, employee name, salary, experience here. If first suppose if we want to know only some columns, first suppose employee ID and employee name, then the query we need to write is select, and what are the column names we need to select. Our column names is employee ID, comma, employee name. These two are the column names we need to select from table name. Table name is our table name is employee. Here we should keep semicolon at the end of each and every statement of SQL, whereas we can write select in different forms. That means, as we know that this is not case sensitive, but the column names what are we are taking should match with the column names of table, and table name also should match with the table name. That means if here we kept capital E, but if we keep small e or something else, definitely we get an error that is table does not match error we will get. This is the way to declare select statements to select only particular columns from the database. If we want to select whole table, then the query we should write is this one: select star from table name. Here we will display full table. The whole table will be displayed when we use this query, and this is the way to declare only some particular column names. This is the query we should use. And next one is select distinct. Before going to this introduction, let us have a table here. In this table we have some salary column, right, which consists of 30k, 20k, like this. Here, if in the observation we can come to know that some people having same salary. Here is the same salary. That means name ABC and FHI having the same salary. If we want to segregate this, that means only if we want to remove this and only distinct with the salary, then we will use the select distinct statements or mainly used. This is uses only distinct. This statements uses to return only distinct values. This is the syntax of select distinct. Here select distinct column name. These, first suppose in our table we are having a salary column has the multiple values. In some database we will have names also multiple can be. That means so that if we want to we want only multiple, if we want to know the single values, then we can use this statement. Here we will use select distinct. Our column name is salary, and from table is employee. This is the query we should write, and don't forget to keep semicolons at the end of the statements.